Introduction to Roles and Permissions in Smartsheet.
Smartsheet is a powerful project management tool, and managing user access is key to keeping your projects secure and organized. Understanding how to set roles and permissions ensures that the right people have the right access. Let's walk through the basics of assigning roles and managing permissions in Smartsheet.
Types of user roles in Smartsheet.
In Smartsheet, users can have different roles such as owner, admin, editor, viewer, and guest. Each role determines what a user can see and do in sheets and workspaces. For example, owners have full control, while viewers can only see information without making changes. Assigning the correct role protects your data and streamlines collaboration.
Assigning roles to users.
To assign roles, open your sheet or workspace and click on the Sharing or Members panel. Enter the user's email, then choose their role from the drop-down menu. Double-check each person's responsibilities before assigning. Remember, you can update these roles anytime as your project needs change, giving you flexibility and control.
Setting permissions for sheets and workspaces.
The purposes define what actions a user can take within a sheet or workspace. For instance, editors can add or modify data, but cannot change sharing settings. Use permission settings to fine-tune access, preventing accidental edits or unwanted changes. Regularly reviewing permissions keeps your project information both accessible and secure.
Tips for effective role management.
Regularly review user roles and permissions, especially after onboarding new team members or wrapping up a project phase. Limit sensitive permissions to trusted users only and utilize group sharing whenever possible to simplify management. These practices will help maintain both efficiency and security as your Smartsheet projects grow.